Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, and oh my gosh, I couldn't wait to show you this new project that I've been working on. I've got into altered books recently, and I wanted to have a go at it. Oh my gosh, I'm creative, but I don't think I'm as creative as I could be. But this has given me the opportunity to really get involved and get messy and paint and oh my gosh, do all different things. So altered books are so super easy to do, and they have such a lovely feel about them. Now this is my first pages in my altered book. I've thinned it out a little bit, which I'll do a video to show you how to thin out your books, and I'll probably do excuse me, another book from start to finish for those of you that are interested. But I just wanted to share with you this double page that I'd created with these pockets. Now there are lots of videos out there for these pocket pages, and when I get time I will show you how these are made. They are really super easy. There's quite a lot of stages, or there's a few stages. I mean, I've never really got involved with Mod Podge and gesso before, but this gave me a chance to get involved with that. So these are my two pages, and look how they came out. I'm just super happy with them. And there's two pages on either side. Now firstly, I gessoed the pages, and then I've watercolored them with paint, and then I've embossed stamps on here, gold embossed here and here, with some flowers and some fleur-de-lis. I've stamped some other images just in StazOn here and here, and then these are just ripped up pieces from an old book. This is from an old book, this lady, and then I've just gone round it with some charcoal, a charcoal pencil, and then just added a few little details with some glitter pens, and a bit down here, put some washi tape on here. This is gold. I don't know if you can really see, but I've put some gold spray on these pages as well, and on this lovely pink. But just, oh, I love it. I mean, look, you can just, these are your pockets that you can put your things in. Just super fast. But I was up all night not all night, I was up till 1 in the morning doing this, and I just love how it's turned out. It's the first sort of you know, painting that I've done as such. Well, I say I've watercolored before, but I've not really done a project like this. This is the first time. So I will keep you informed of this project and show you it as it develops. At the moment, I just have these two pages inside, so I'm learning as well at the moment, and you know, this is all a new adventure for me too. But I just love how that's turned out, and the pages feel so good. So I hope that you've enjoyed that. Please let me know if you'd like to see how to make these pocket pages, and I'll do a video. But thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. I'll be back in a bit with the daily raffle. So take care for now, and see you all later. Bye bye.